Hi kids, I hope everybody is fine. So this video is for class 10 student. And in class 10 we were solving sums from mensuration from L Aggarwal, exercise 17.1, and we have done till sum number 6. In this video we'll start from sum number 7. For the previous video you can see the description box. Look, if the volume of a cylinder of height 7 cm is 448 pi centimeter cube, find its lateral surface area and the total surface area. Now, for a cylinder, the lateral surface area is same as curved surface area, and that is equal to 2 pi RH, circumference into height. Now, volume is given to us. Height is given to us. With the help of volume and height, we'll find the radius. See, volume equals to pi r square h. Just substitute the value. 448 pi is equal to pi r square. H is 7. Pi cancels out. 7 one time. 7 6 times 42. Then 28. 4 times. Which means r square is 64. So r will be plus minus 8. We'll take positive because radius cannot be negative. So r is 8. So your lateral surface area will be 2 pi. R is how much? 8 into 7. Yes or no? So that 8, 7 times is 56. 56, 2 times is 112 pi centimeter square. Done? They've asked for the total surface area. Now, total surface area is 2 pi r h plus r for a cylinder. Substitute the value. 2 pi r is how much? 8. H is 7 plus 8. Yes or no? So that's 2 multiplied by 8 gives you 16 pi into 15. Yes or no? 16 15 times is how much? 160 plus 80, that's 240. So this is 240 pi centimeter square. That's pretty easy. From volume we got the radius because the height was given. Then LSA or CSA is same thing, 2 pi RH in this case, and total surface area is 2 pi r h plus r. Chalo, we look at number 8 now. Now look at number 8. A wooden pole is 7 meter high. 7 meter high and 20 centimeter in diameter. So the diameter is 20 centimeter. Find its weight if the wood weighs 225 kg per meter cube. 225 kg per meter cube. Look over here. Of course, the wooden pole is in the shape of cylinder. Height is given to us. Diameter means radius is also given to us. Radius will be 10 centimeter, which is equal to 10 by 100 meter. So the volume will be pi r square, which is, this is 1 by 10 meter, r square into h, which is 7. Yes or no? Volume is what? Pi r square h. So volume will be pi 1 by 100 into 7. Just substitute the value of pi, 22 by 7 into 1 by 100 into 7. 7 cancels out. So volume is 0.22 meter cube. Yes or no? Now what they have asked for? Find its weight if the wood weighs 225 kg per meter cube. Weight of 1 meter cube is 225 kg. So weight of 0.22 meter cube, you multiply 225 into 0.22, which will be 49.5 kg. Done? Pretty easy. Just find the volume, multiply by this, you'll get the answer, because of 1 meter cube weighs this much. So 0.22 meter cube weighs how much? You just multiply. Okay? Chalo. We'll do number 9 now. Now look at sum number 9. The area of curved surface of a cylinder, curved surface area of a cylinder is given as 4400 centimeter square, and the circumference of its base is given as 110 centimeter. Find the height and the volume of the cylinder. Very easy. Look over here. CSA is given and circumference of the base. Now, circumference of the base, if you look carefully, is nothing but 2 pi r. This is a circle. Circumference will be what? So 2 pi r is equal to 110. Yes or no? So 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by r is 110. So r is 110 into 7 by 2 into 22. Yes or no? 11, 2 times, 10 times, to 1 time, to 5 times. Yes or no? This is 35 by 2 centimeter. 17.5, okay? Now CSA is given. Now what is the formula for CSA? CSA for cylinder, CSA is 2 pi RH. So CSA is 4400. Okay, 2 pi R, we can directly write 110. Yes or no? 110 into H. So H will be 40 centimeter. Done. Very easy. Then they have told us to find the volume. Volume is what? Pi r square H. Just look carefully. Pi is 22 by 7. This is 35 by 2 whole square. Height is 40. This much centimeter cube. That's 22 by 7 multiplied by 35 by 2 multiplied by 35 by 2 into 40. Simplify it. 7 1 time, 7 5 times. 2 1 time, 2 11 times, 2 1 time, 2 20 times. 5 into 20 is 100. So 11 into 35 into 100 centimeter cube. So 35 11 times gives you, just look over here, it will be 38500 centimeter cube, and that is the volume, pi r square H. Done. Straightforward. Use the formula, you will get the answer. Circumference of the base, which means 2 pi r, you get the radius. CSA, you get the height with the help of CSA. Then put in this formula. Sure. Now we look at number 10. To look at number 10, a cylinder has a diameter of 20 centimeter. The area of curved surface is 1000 centimeter square. Find the height of the cylinder correct to 1 decimal place and the volume of the cylinder correct to 1 decimal place. Take pi as 3.14. Now look over here. We know if the diameter is given, the radius is d by 2, which is 20 by 2. That's 10 centimeter. CSA is given as 1000. Now, CSA is what? 2 pi RH. That is equal to 1000. 2 into 3.14. R is how much? 10 into height is equal to 1000. So height is what? 1000 by 2 into 3.14 into 10 centimeter. That's 1000 into 100. You remove the decimal, so that becomes 2 into 3.314 into 10. 1010 goes away. That's 1 2 3 4. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. This centimeter. You solve it and give the answer in one place of decimal. Okay, this is number 1. The part 1. Number 2. Part 2, what they've said? Volume. Just substitute the value. Pi r square into h, whatever comes. Centimeter cube. Just solve it, you'll get the answer. Done? Chal. We'll look at number 11 now. Look at number 11. The barrel of a fountain pen, cylindrical in shape, is 7 centimeter long and 5 mm in diameter. A full barrel of ink in the pen will be used up while writing 310 words on an average. Full barrel, okay? How many words would use up a bottle of ink containing 1/5 of a liter? First of all, the barrel is there. barrel, REL, sorry, we find the volume of ink in the barrel. So volume is pi r square h. R, this is 5 mm. So R will be 2.5 mm, which is 0.25 centimeter. Yes or no? So just substitute the value. This is 22 by 7, 0.25 square into 7. Yes or no? So volume I've already calculated. It is coming as 1.375 centimeter cube. Okay, this is what? 22 into 0.25 into 0.25. When you calculate, you get this volume. Now, with this volume of ink, you can write 310 words. Now, in a bottle, you have how many words would use a bottle of ink containing 1/5 of a liter? So, volume of ink in the bottle is 1/5 of a liter, which means 1000 ml. This is 200 ml. Yes or no? Now look, this is equal to 200 centimeter cube. Okay, so 1.375 centimeter cube. With this much ink, how many words you can write? 310. So with 200 centimeter cube, how many words you can write? 310 by 1.375 into 200, which when you solve it, I've already taken out 45090.90 it's coming. They've told give the answer to the nearest 100 words, which means it will be 45100 words. This much word we can write with 1/5 of a liter of ink. Okay, volume of ink in a barrel, with this much we can write this. So with this much, how many words we can write? Simple. Chalo, we'll do number 12 now. Now look at number 12. Find the ratio between the total surface area of a cylinder to its curved surface area. This ratio we need to find. Okay, given that its height is 7.5 centimeter and the radius is 3.5 centimeter. Again, I'll read this out. Find the ratio between the total surface area and area of a cylinder to its curved surface area, given that its height and radius is 7.5 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. Very easy. TSA by CSA. What is TSA? Total surface area 2 pi r h plus r. What is CSA? 2 pi r h. Remember? 2 pi r cancel. So this becomes h. H is 7.5 plus 3.5 by h, that is 7.5. Just substitute the value. 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 by 7.5. That's 110 by 75. Yes or no? 5, it cancels with 5, 22 times, and this is 15 times. So the ratio is 22:15. Very easy. You just need to know the formula for TSA and CSA. Chalo. We'll do number 13 now. Look at number 13. The radius of the base of a right circular cylinder is halved and the height is doubled. So there are two cases. Try to understand. Two cases are there. Suppose in the first case, the radius is r and the height is h. So what we are doing? See, the radius of the base of a right circular cylinder is halved. So over here in the second case, the radius is r by 2 and the height is doubled, What is the ratio of the volume of the new cylinder to that of the original cylinder? This is the original cylinder, okay? So volume V1 is pi r square h. Over here, V2 pi, r is what? R by 2. The radius is r by 2, pi r square h. H is what? 2h over here. So they have asked for V2 by V1. Let me see. What is the ratio of the volume of the new cylinder to that of the original one? So V2 by V1 pi, this is R square by 4 into 2H by pi R square H. Done. Pi R square H cancels. So this becomes 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2, which means the ratio is 1 is to 2. Done. Very easy. Yes or no? This was sum number 13. Chalo. We look at number 14 now. We look at 14 part 1. The sum of the radius and the height of a cylinder, which means R plus H, is 37 centimeter and the total surface area of the cylinder is 1628 centimeter square. Find the height and the volume of the cylinder. 14 part 1. Very easy. TSA is 2 pi R H plus R. Yes or no? Just put the value. 1628 equals to 2 pi R and H plus R is 37. Yes or no? Now this becomes 1628 multiplied by 7 by 2 into 22 into 37 equals to R. This is your radius. Just solve this. So 2 1 time 2 8 1 4. Yes or no? 11 2 times 11 7 times 77 4 times 2 37 times, which means R is 7 centimeter. Okay. Now once you got R, TSA is given. We'll find, oh, this is given to us. So from here, see, R plus H is 37. So H is 37 minus 7. That is 30 centimeter. Done. Now, volume. Volume is pi R square H. Just substitute the value. 22 by 7 into 7 square into height is 30. That's 22 by 7 into 49 multiplied by 30. 7 1 times, 7 7 times. That is 22 into 7 into 30 centimeter cube. Just calculate this. Very easy. Once you get H and R, it will be very easy. Okay. Now, 14 part 2. The total surface area of a cylinder is 352 centimeter square. If the height is 10, find the diameter of the base. We just need to know the formula. TSA is given as 352. TSA is 2 pi R H plus R. This is equal to 352. Substitute the value. 2 into 22 by 7 into R we don't know. 10 plus R is equal to 352. Yes or no? Now look carefully. This is R. 10 plus R is equal to 352 into 7 by 2 into 22. Solve it. 11 2 times, 11 3 times, 33 2 times, 2 1 time, 2 16 times, 2 1 time, 2 8 times, which means 10R plus R square equals to 56. Am I correct? Just bring it on this side. So R square plus 10R plus नहीं minus होगा minus 56 equals to 0. Yes or no? Now we'll do middle term. Okay. 56. So 2 28 times, 2 14 times, 2 7 times, and this is 7 1 time. 14 and 4. So R square plus 14R minus 4R minus 56 equals to 0. R taken common, R plus 14 minus 4 taken common, R plus 14 equals to 0. Middle term factorization. Okay. Now by zero product rule, I can say R minus 4 equals to 0, which means R equals to 4, or R plus 14 equals to 0, R equals to minus 14, not possible. Which means R is 4, which means diameter is what? 4 into 2, that's 8 centimeter. Done. With TSA, we got a quadratic equation. We did it by middle term factorization. Okay? Sure. We'll do the next one, number 15 now. Now look at 15. The ratio between the curved surface and total surface area of a cylinder is 1:2. which means curve surface area to total surface area is given as 1:2. Find the volume of the cylinder given that its total surface area is 616. TSA is given as 616 centimeter square. Yes or no? Yeah. Find the volume of the cylinder. Look carefully. Now, just put it over here. So CSA by 616 is 1/2. Yes or no? So CSA is 616 by 2, which is 308 centimeter square. Try to understand what is given to us. CSA is what? 2 pi RH. This is given to us as 308. Total surface area is what? Total surface area is CSA plus area of the base and area of the top, which is circular. Try to understand. What is TSA? TSA is what? Curved surface area plus twice of pi r square. Area of this plus area of this. This is pi r square, 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r square. Can I write 616? Now instead of curved surface area, can I write 308? So 308 plus 2 pi r square is 616, which means 2 pi r square is what? 616 minus 308. That's 308, which means 2 into 22 by 7 into r square is 308. Try to understand. The total surface area is curved surface area plus area of the base and area of the top, which is circular region. Pi r square plus pi r square, which is 2 pi r square. Okay. Now, so r square is 308 multiplied by 7 by 2 into 22. 11 2 times, 11 2 times 22, and 8 times 2 14 times 2 7 times, which is 49. So r will be 7. Done. Plus minus 7 will take positive. So r is 7 centimeter. Put the value over here. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is how much? 7 into h is 308. 7 cancels out. So h is what? 308 by 2 into 22. Yes or no? So that's again 11 2 times 11 28. This is 7. So you got the height as 7. You got the radius as 7. What will be volume? Volume will be pi r square, which is 7 square, into h, which is 7. Pi r square h. Pi r square h. That's the volume. So volume is 22 by 7 into 49 into 7. 7 cancels out. So volume is 22 into 49 centimeter cube. Just calculate. 49 multiplied by 22. 2 9 times 18. Yes or no? 1078 centimeter cube, and that's the volume. Very easy. We got CSA, then TSA is nothing but CSA plus 2 pi r square. We got 2 pi r square, we got r, we got h, and then volume is pi r square h. This is number 15. Now let us do number 16. Now look at number 16. Two cylindrical jars contain the same amount of milk, which means there are two jars and their volume is same. V1 and V2 is same. They have told in the sum. Yeah. If the diameters are in the ratio 3:4, find the ratio of the height. Look over here carefully. Now, the ratio of the diameter is given as 3:4. So, what will be the ratio of the radius? D1 will be R1 by 2. D2 will be R2 by 2 is 3 by 4. 2 cancels out. R1 by R2 will be same 3 by 4. Done. V1 equals to V2. We already know. So V1 is what? Pi R1 square H1. V2 is what? Pi R2 square H2. Okay. Pi cancels out. R1 square pi R2 square is equal to H2 by H1. Yes or no? R2 square, I've brought it over here. H1 goes over there. So R1 by R2 is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 whole square is H2 by H1, which means 9 by 16 equals to H2 by H1. So H1 by H2 is what? 16 by 9, which means the ratio is H1 by H2 is what? 16 is to 9. That's my radius. Done. Very easy. D1 by D2 was given. You find R1 by R2. Done. Then V1 equals to V2 was given. Just substitute pi R square H formula. You'll get H1 by H2. Okay. Chalo. Now let us look at number 17. Now let us look at number 17. A rectangular sheet of tin foil of size 30 centimeter multiplied by 18 centimeter can be rolled to form a cylinder in two ways, along length and along breadth. So if you roll it along length, it becomes like this. If you roll it along breadth, it becomes like this. It becomes cylinder. Yes or no? What they are asking? Find the ratio of the volumes of the two cylinders thus formed. V1 by V2. Now look over here. For this cylinder, when it is rolled lengthwise, the height of the cylinder is 18 centimeter, and this portion becomes the circumference, which means 2 pi r is the circumference. This is 30. Yes or no? Done. So height is this, height is 18 and 2 pi r is 30. So what will be volume? V1 is pi r square h. Just look carefully. From here I get r as 30 by 2 pi. So that's 15 by pi. Keep it like this. So V1 is pi r square, which is 15 by pi whole square, into h. H is 18. That's the volume. And when you simplify it further, pi 225 pi square into 18 centimeter cube. Pi cancels out, which is V1 is 225 into 18 by pi centimeter cube. That's the volume. The volume over here, when it is rolled breadthwise, what will be the volume? See, then this becomes 30, which is your height, and the circumference 2 pi r, that becomes 18, isn't it? This becomes the circumference. So over here r is what? 18 by 2 pi. So r is 9 by pi. What will be the volume? V2 pi r square h. So V2 is pi, r is 9 by pi whole square, h is 18, h is 30, sorry, h is 30. Solve it. Pi 81 by pi square into 30, then this is 81 into 30 by pi. V2. Now we need V1 by V2. Just do the calculation. V1 by V2, that is this 225 into 18 by pi divided by 81 into 30 by pi, which is equal to 225 into 18 by pi multiplied by pi by 81 into 30. Yes or no? Pi cancels out. 9, 2 times, 9, 9 times. 2 1 time, 2 15 times. 15 1 time, 15 15 times. 3 times, 3 5 times, which is 5 is to 3. Yes or no? 5 by 3, which means the volume, the ratio of the volume will be 5 is to 3. Step by step. This was the most important thing. In this case, the height becomes 18 and this circumference becomes 30. In this scenario, the height becomes 30 and the circumference becomes 18. Clear hai? Now, in this video, we'll keep it till here. In the next video, we'll finish the rest of the sum. Till then, take care and be safe. And if you like the video, do share and subscribe with your